Hello everyone! In today's episode, Peppa Pig and Sushi Sheep help Thomas the Tank Engine when he gets into trouble. Are you going to miss it? Stay with us and find out what happens. Everybody in town was going about their business. Come on, we're going to miss the bus. I'm coming. Thomas was doing what he does best, carrying things from one place to another. Well, hello there, Thomas. How are you today? Oh, I'm fine, thanks. I'm in a hurry as usual. I have to get somewhere fast. So see you later.
Hey, Susie, shall we go down to the railway to see the trains go by? Oh yes, I love trains.
And off they went.
Oh, look, he's really fast. Yes, very fast. Hello there, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Thomas. Who are you?
I'm Peppa, and I'm Susie.
Well, nice to meet you girls, but I'm very busy. Have to go now. See you later.
See you later. Susie, shall we go have some tea? Oh yes, I'm very hungry.
Thomas carried on with his work. Oh no! There's some rocks on the tracks ahead. I hope Thomas will see them in time. Be careful, be careful! Oh dear, poor Thomas.
Help, help, shouted Thomas.
Did you hear someone calling for help, Peppa? Yes, I think it was Thomas. Let's go and find out what happened. What's wrong, Thomas?
Rocks on the tracks. Can you help?
Susie, stay with Thomas. I'll go and get Grandpa. Okay. Grandpa, I need your help.
What's the problem, Peppa?
Thomas had an accident and he can't get up.
Alright. Show me where he is.
This way. There he is. Can you help?
Of course I can. It will only take a minute. Hop! Now you have to remove the stones from the tracks, Peppa.
Okay, Grandad.
Oh, thank you very much for your help. I couldn't have done it without you. Anytime you want to go on a trip, you only have to ask.
Oh, that would be very nice, thanks.
Cheerio!
Bye-bye.
And Thomas carried on with his daily routine of carrying things from one place to another.